Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Lorraine. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and join in on all the fun. In today's video, I have a styling video for you guys. I'm going to show you how to look like an off-duty model by using the stuff that you already have in your closet. And if you don't have it, you can just go get it. You don't have to tell anybody about that, just go get it. Because I'm going to be sharing like staples that you need in your closet to not only make you look effortless, but cool and sexy as well. So if you want to see how I put together these looks, stay tuned. Okay everybody, jumping right into it. My first look is what I'm wearing right now. Just so you know, throughout the whole video, I'm going to be wearing these pieces from Lovisa. This necklace, which is a one piece, but obviously kind of has the whole layered look going on, which I really like. And it's also cost effective. You don't have to buy a bunch of necklaces. These hoop earrings, they came in a set, but obviously I wore them just because I have, you know, a few piercings over there. I wore them all at once just because I think it looks cool. And some rings as well. So adding jewelry to any look obviously makes it more put together and, you know, adds a little, you know, a little bit of that, you know, I don't know, that factor that just makes it look chic. You know, you just look very chic. It elevates the look. So yeah, I'm gonna be wearing these pieces throughout the whole video with all the outfits. So just to explain my first outfit, I'm wearing this sweater from ASOS, which I stole from my boyfriend. I just paired it with like some cargo looking pants and some Air Force Ones, white Air Force Ones with some chunky socks. Okay, so the next look that I have that is model inspired, or off-duty model inspired rather, is the oversized blazer look. And I decided to go with this oversized blazer, which I got from an op shop. So and the second-hand store I got it from is Savers. If you saw my previous styling challenges, I challenged my friend Gizzy to find me an outfit for under $60, and this is one of the pieces that she picked up from Savers. I suggest that every girl needs an oversized blazer in their closet just because, one, it's a staple, two, it elevates any look. So with this style, I mean with this look, I paired it with this monokini. Let me tell you about monokinis, people. They will cinch you in. They will make you look banging. They will make your body look banging and just, you know, very sexy. So the reason why I feel like these two go perfectly together is because they balance each other out. You get the tight, you get the sexy, and then the oversized blazer just adds a more effortless and cool effect. Next up, I have a look that goes with these jeans. Now these jeans I got from ASOS, right? And they're very ballooned at the top, so they add a lot of volume at the top, very like, you know, slouchy. That was the word they described them. Very slouchy type of looking jean. And so the perfect thing to pair something like this would be, in my opinion, would be something really form-fitting on the top, sexy, baba, and then I give you this. So this would be perfect to pair with those jeans just because it's form-fitting. It'll show off your figure a little bit, and again, it balances between the, you know, slouchy versus sexy, and I think put together it will look really, really, really good. If it's very chilly, I love pairing outfits with this. Bam, staple. I feel like every girl needs a leather jacket in their closet. If you don't have one, oh my god, please go get it. I am begging you, you need it. This is me telling you to shop because you need this. And I got this from Zara. Very nice quality. Zara is always the place to go if you want something chic, something staple, something that will last you long. And yeah, if you pair that outfit with this, yeah, it'll also elevate the look and make you look very model-esque. Shoes wise, I would wear this for this video. I decided to pair it with some green, army green boots, just to, you know, the word of this video, the key word of this video is elevate. So we're trying to elevate your style to reach like model, you know, model levels. Okay, next up I have a look that's autumn friendly, and this is why. Yes, this trench coat. Oh my god, I love this trench coat so much. I've had it for ages, like 3 years I think, and I got it from Boohoo, and it's really good quality because I haven't been tired of it over the last 2 years. It hasn't worn down. It's still the same as when I bought it. And I feel like also another staple in your closet is a trench coat because it makes you look very chic, very boss, you know, very elegant, and you can dress it down with some sneakers and you can look very cool. In this video, I decided to pair it with these acid light blue jeans that have a rip in the knee, and that'll also give it a dress down look, and this racer back inspired crop top that I got from Pretty Little Things, I think, and I think the jeans I got from Misguided. This together will make it look really cool. Pair it with, you know, some sneakers. In this video I'm pairing it with my Pumas, and along with the jewelry, like I said in the beginning, jewelry is something that elevates and brings a little bit of, you know, cool and chicness to your outfit. So I would suggest that if you don't have a lot of jewelry, invest in it. And Lovisa is the perfect place to invest in jewelry because one, it's affordable, and two, they have a lot of different styles that can, you know, that cater to a lot of different people. So if you don't have a lot of jewelry, I'll suggest you have a look at Lovisa and see some of the deals that they have, because they also have a lot of deals. And yeah, any outfit that you wear, it just takes it to another level. Next up, just because I've had a lot of pant looks, I want to cater also to people that like wearing skirts and dresses, and I do like wearing skirts and dresses. So with this look, I decided to go for, you know, a staple as well, which is the satin skirt. This one I got from Glassons, and as you can see, it has a really nice cool print on it, just to add a little bit of, you know, you know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna be pairing it with the sweater I'm wearing right now, just because I love the balance between feminine and masculine. It also creates such a cool chic, you know, feel. And one thing I know about the off-duty model style is that the theme is always effortless. You want to look as effortless as possible, but also like cool. It's effortless cool. So that's the theme. You never want to look like you're trying too much, but somehow you look put together, you look sexy, you look cool. Keeping on the theme of skirts and dresses, next up I have a body-fitting dress. Which I got long ago. Like, guys, I got this so long ago. I refuse to let it go because of how good it makes my body look. I love this dress so much. In this video I'm going to be pairing it with, you know, some chunky socks and my Air Forces. The chunky socks because it adds an element of cool, I feel, to something so sexy, because the nice thing about form-fitting dresses like these is because you can dress them up and you can dress them down. But with the off-duty model style, I was trying to go more for dress down but still very sexy and cool, so I think the chunky socks will add that element to this really pretty dress. Next up, I don't know if I'm the only one that loves the idea of dressing up activewear or gym gear. If you take note on, if you follow any models, they'll be wearing like activewear, gym gear, but they don't look like normal, like us regular peeps, and you're just like, but how? And it's because, one, if you take notice, there's always an element that they've added, and either it's, you know, earrings, necklaces, their rings, or any type of element. And one thing I've also noticed is that they like to add a piece that, you know, stands out and elevates the activewear from past, you know, just activewear. You know, they call it athleisure, but you know, whatever. And in this video I've decided to add my own element to activewear to make you look more put together, even when you're wearing activewear in public and not really, you know, exercising. So this jacket is what I decided to pair it with. It's a baseball jacket, vintage, red, pop of color, you know, and it's oversized. So if you're wearing like a form-fitting activewear, you know, two-piece, you can put this on top with some trainers, chunky socks, earrings, and you look. Okay guys, so that's it from me. If you enjoyed this video and if you liked my tips on how to look like an off-duty model, please let me know down below. Don't forget to give this video a like, a comment, a subscription. You know, just click, just click it. It's free. You know, it's free, it's easy, you know. Do it. Anyway, I'll see you guys in my next one.